Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you the best recipe from Korean cuisine. We are gonna share with you Korean spicy chicken and vegetable soup, guys. For those of you who do not love spicy food, you can just reduce red hot chili pepper, guys. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So here are the ingredients we are gonna need to make this soup. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start with vegetable oil. I'm gonna use in total 3 tablespoons. We are gonna need white apple vinegar, and in here I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. We are gonna need soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, guys. We are gonna need approximately 1.5 liters of still water. Then guys, we are gonna need 1 white onion and 5 pieces of green onion. Guys, these are the types of onion that we have here. If you have big onion, you can use just 3. Just because I have this much sizes, I'm gonna use 5 pieces. Then guys, I'm gonna use 4 pieces of green spicy pepper. Then guys, 1 whole chicken. I also have neck here because I like to eat neck. For those of you who don't want to use neck, that's totally fine. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of dill. As you see, I have dried red hot pepper. I have here 8 pieces, guys. Then we are gonna need 3 pieces of garlic and 3 pieces of ginger, guys. And coming back to our favorite spices, guys, we are gonna use salt, black pepper, and a lot of red hot chili pepper and a lot of red sweet pepper, guys. That's it, guys. So guys, let's start cooking. First of all, I'm gonna open the fire on the highest level, and then I'm gonna add water, approximately 1.5 liters. Please, I want to also mention you that I have cut the beginning of the wings, and I have separated the neck, and I have cut this part of the chicken. And also guys, I do not like the fat that is usually chicken has here, so I have cut that too. It's up to you again. So we place our chicken. When you place your chicken, make sure it should be covered with the water. So as you see, it's not covered. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add more water so it will be covered, and this way it will be cooked in all parts, guys. So guys, usually I use 1.5 liter for normal chicken, but this is chicken, organic chicken from the farm, and so I guess it's a lot bigger than other. So I'm gonna add more water to cover the chicken. For this chicken, I've used almost 3 liters of water. After placing your chicken, I'm gonna add 3 pieces of garlic, just like this. You don't have to cut it. Then guys, I have 3 pieces of ginger, but they're a little bit of dry. For that reason, I'm just gonna break them into 2 and add that. Also, green onion. I have cut them in sizes of 1 finger lengths. Just add them. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. You've added, guys, make sure that they're covered in water also, and then you just close the top of your pot. I don't have top of this pot, guys, and for that reason I'm using plate. So we will cook this chicken for 1 hour approximately. Again, depending on the type of chicken. If it's organic chicken, it might take longer. If it's older chicken, then it might take longer time. So I'm gonna boil it for 1 hour, guys. Guys, it has been 20 minutes and it's boiling a lot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the fire on medium and let it boil more. Once in a while, check your chicken and turn it over like this so it will be cooked equally. Then we close. Guys, let's see. It has been 1 hour and I want to make sure it's cooked. So, okay. Our chicken is ready. So at this stage, I'm gonna close the fire. So what I wanna do here, we have placed our chicken separately. The chicken broth is here. We are gonna open the fire on the highest level. In total, I told you guys in the beginning, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons, but here I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. We're gonna add our thinly chopped onion. So what we want to do here is I'm gonna add our dried red hot chili pepper. So break them here into 2 or 3. So all the seeds will be also here. If you do not like spicy food, you do not have to use it. We are spicy food like Koreans, but we still would like to have some spice in it. Guys, while our onions and dried red hot chili pepper is frying here, I would like to place the rest of the green onions. I have basically cut them into finger length sizes. Very thick. I have cut into 2. Alright guys, I'm gonna add into the bowl 4 pieces of spicy green pepper. I have basically cut them into 2 lengthwise, and those also pieces I've cut into 2. I have here dill. Guys, you do not have to cut it very thin, so I'm just gonna cut it into 2 with my hands. That's it. I'm gonna mix up our spices. I've got here salt, black pepper, red sweet pepper, and red hot spicy chili pepper, guys. So I'm gonna add it, all of them here, and I'm gonna add here the last tablespoon of vegetable oil, just 1, and just mix them up. Make sure that the spices mix well with our veggies. When you are mixing, make sure to check the bottom, alright? And when the bottom is clean like this, it means you've mixed well. When you see that your onions are like this, red, and your spicy pepper is turned brown, it means it's ready. So we just let it rest now. Now I have here chicken broth, and I'm gonna make sure that I will have only clear chicken broth. So I'm gonna use strainer of chicken, guys. And this is the ginger. We are not gonna use any of this. So this goes basically, or we are not gonna use any of the food. First of all, I would like to show you our strained, I have strained this chicken broth. I'm gonna open the fire on the highest level, and first of all, I'm gonna add our fried onion and fried dried red hot chili peppers. So it all goes in. And a lot of red hot chili pepper. So it also goes in. Make sure to mix them, guys. Now guys, it's time. Now guys, it's time for our chicken. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar and just after that I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Sure that they're all mixed. So guys, now it's time for our chicken to go in here. And make sure to mix them too. We are gonna wait until it boils only 1 time, guys. So guys, it started boiling. It means it's time for us to turn it off, and let's see, guys. Look at this beauty, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Yummy, yummy. It's gonna be yummy. Bon appetit, guys. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching our video, and let me know in the comments what is the best soup that you love from Korean cuisine, guys. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice cozy evening, guys. Bye bye.